Surah At-Takāthur is a powerful Makki Surah revealed in Makkah. It comprises 8 short verses, is located in the 30th para, and is the 102nd Surah in the sequence of the Holy Quran. This Surah reminds humanity that excessive competition in worldly wealth, status, and numbers distract people from the remembrance of Allah until death approaches. It clearly warns that on the day of judgment, every blessing will be questioned. Surah At-Takāthur delivered a profound message about materialism, pride, and neglect of the hereafter. It encourages believers to reflect deeply, seek knowledge with certainty, and prepare for eternal life rather than becoming absurd in temporary worldly gains. The rewards of its reciting. The Holy Prophet said, "Whoever recites one letter from the Book of Allah will be received one good deeds, and one good deeds is multiplied by 10, according to Tirmidhi hadith."
लोगों, तुमको ज्यादा से ज्यादा माल समेटने की ख्वाहिश ने गफलत में डाले रखा।